Hey guys, today we're going to be putting some in-channel vent shades on my pickup. These are auto vent shades. They're supposed to be pretty good stuff. And you're supposed to remove, it said remove about 2 inches from each end. And once you get them in place, and then roll your window up. It says to leave your window up for 24 hours to let the adhesive set up. We should be good to go. I think they make the vehicle look better. And you can leave your windows cracked a little bit, give you some air when it's raining.